Yo, YouTube, it's Jay here checking in. Just out getting a little bit of fresh air at the place of employment. And see my friends over at Cummins Southern Plains are doing probably an annual generator load test on one of the generators here where I work. I'm not going to name names till later. I probably could, when I'm no longer here, stick it in because it won't matter, but he's pan around here a little bit. So you can see the two exhaust stacks, big monster 6-inchers, I think, with a cool little counterweighted rain intrusion deal. Well, let's call them metal clappers. It's like the big rigs. Anyway, you can probably hear the thing running. Try to see, you can almost, if I could, God, I wish I had a gimbal. You can see the heat rolling off of these things. It'll get kind of loud here, so adjust your volume. Volume alert. Let's go in here and take a look at the generator, see what we got. Got the dry dummy load right here. Cummins Southern Plains. Well, get a little bit out of the way here. That is 16 cylinders of diesel awesomeness. Pan back around. What a good time. That's probably a little bit loud here as the impact, so that thing is really, really loud when it's running. Cummins Onan v16 turbo diesel generator. If you look back through my video list, you can see I've got another one of these I documented or videoed on the initial break-in run-up over at Infomart. I got a couple thousand views on it, and it is a beast. I think those are probably around 3,000 horsepower. V16, I'm not sure exact cubic inch displacement. I'm sure you could Google that real quick. But any rate, that is something very similar to what you'd find under the hood of a freight locomotive. Exactly the same thing. It's a diesel generator because they're all diesel electric freight locomotives. Anyway, that's all I got for you right now. And if you like the video, help me keep making videos. Help me, I need to score a GoPro. So you should click that like button and subscribe. Every once in a while I throw up a video that's kind of interesting. what's the worst thing? You get a little spammy thing when I post, I guess. If YouTube hadn't done away with that. Anyhow, thanks again. We'll talk to you guys later.